Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can write over a line in your document on Microsoft Word really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to your document on Microsoft Word. And let's say you have an underline like this, and now you'd like to place text here. So if I, for example, start typing text here, you will see that the text is added or is being added, but at the same time, the underline gets removed, which I don't want to happen. So there's a simple trick you may apply here, guys. What you want to do is simply add a text box to that area here instead of typing your text directly. To do that, switch from the Home tab to the Insert tab here. And here to the right, you will see a feature called Text Box. So click on it. And from the drop-down menu, simply select Draw Text Box here and draw your text box just above the underline like that. And after that, fill the text box with text like, I don't know, test text 1, 2, 3. And that's basically it. You may also adjust the size and the position of your text box, move it around here, rotate it if you like. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.